Diamond, strong and stylish. Installation of laths. Laths are mainly used at building exterior soffits, installed on steel C-line or wood frames, with a grid not exceeding 40 by 40 centimeters. Before installation, lay a net to prevent insects and small animals from entering the eaves. If leaving a gap between each lath, such gap should be around 1 centimeter. When securing laths to steel frames, use diamond 28.5 mm self-tapping screws. These screws must be fixed 2.5 centimeters from butt edges and at every middle point of a lath where the frame supports it. To fix laths to wood frames, use 1-inch self-tapping screws. Use a nail gun and FST 25 nails, 25 mm long, for concrete, at a pressure of not less than 5 bars. Installation of ceiling border. Ceiling border decorates the ceiling edge and corners. It can be fixed onto laths or diamond boards. After the laths or ceiling boards have been installed, fix the ceiling border along the ceiling edge where the frame supports it. For wood frames, use 1-inch self-tapping screws to fix the trim. For a steel frame, use 28.5 mm diamond self-tapping screws. Diamond, strong and stylish.